You know how to cook?
I do not know how to cook. I mean, last time I cooked was eggs.
The last thing you cooked was eggs?
Yes.
Dude.
Alright, that's cool. I got this. I know. I'm gonna quick one anyways. You gotta like smash this good. Add some,
Okay. So, this is burgers.
Burgers.
You don't know how to cook food. I'm the dude that doesn't know how to cook food.
Yeah.
Once we're going to get started, right? We're going to preheat this cast iron skillet. It's not hot. It's not on. But I'm going to put this on medium, high, kind of medium.
Yeah, medium. Always medium. I know that. I know.
Get you a meat. You want to season it, right? So we're gonna put you to work.
All right, I got you.
This is gonna be a burger. Yeah.
I got you.
So put.
Grab the entire meat.
Yeah. You could grab the entire meat.
There's another way?
Yeah. No, there's not. You can grab the entire meat. You could have just dumped it all in there too.
You're right.
What are you mixing around in there? Throw your seasonings in there.
You're right. I'm just breaking it down so I can answer this. Think about that. Ooh, shoot. Don't burn the house down.
Don't burn the house down. No. We're burning it down.
How many? You want to grate peppers? How many do you want?
Oh my god, dude.
Peppers.
Oh, you got meat all on my grinder.
Hey, it doesn't matter how much.
No. Just keep going until I say stop, because it does a little bit at a time. Oh yeah, we also making cookies too, so.
I love cookies. Oreos.
That's good.
Hey, you said. I know. Keep going. All right,
go ahead, throw this in there. Throw more in there. What the hell?
Hey. Okay.
Yeah. Keep going. Heavier. Yep. That's good.
All right. Cool. Perfect. All right.
Some of your onion powder in there now.
Onion powder. Got you.
Yay!
Yes.
That's
get shot here. Keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, okay.
He's doing it. He's my chat too. He's doing it.
Ha, cool tongue, by the way. What's up?
Welcome in. We're just cooking right now. You're good. I'm teaching my friend how to make burgers.
I love burgers.
Yes, you do. All right, go ahead, throw your paprika in there.
All right, cool. I love paprika. This is crazy.
Let me see what you got.
You got this meat right here.
This meat? Genuinely just thought it had a big tongue at first because his jawline, in a cool way.
Who is that? Who?
It's free. Free beats.
No.
Who's this?
Who is that?
I don't know how to say the name.
Is she? Is that a she or a he?
I don't know, you ask.
Hi, what's your pronouns?
In a
good way.
Please, don't.
You're okay with me asking. Wait, if you have a big... show your tongue.
I'm so confused. Who is
Oh yeah, you could just call me Kayla if you want. Oh, hi Kayla!
Hi, how are you? Welcome in.
Welcome Kayla! So, with our burger mix made, right? We're gonna grab your now heated skillet. It's hot, okay? You're gonna put some oil in there. Just a little bit. Just a little drizzle. No,
okay.
just drizzle. Just drizzle. Just that much. You see that much?
Oh yeah, you
Careful.
can just call me. Okay, wait. Can y'all reach your chin? I can't.
Can y'all reach your chin?
I can't do that. I got a small tongue. You can.
No, I can't.
No.
Your meat's good.
All right, the meat's good.
Yeah, the meat's good.
Getting the next.
Wash your hands.
You're right.
Got paper towels right here. Can you try to? You try to. This person's really digging you, man. I think they want you to do it.
Can you try?
You have to, man.
All right.
You have to.
All right. Here it is. I have two cameras here. Whoa, what?
No, it's
All
joke.
right, watch this.
Thank you. Get your tomato.
Jeez, what do you mean? Jeez, what is? You're not even making me. I'm insecure.
No, you're good.
I'm very insecure. Come on.
Nothing's wrong with it, though. I swear. See, they're good.
Why are you making fun of me?
You know what I mean? Because actually has a long tongue, Lamau. You have a long tongue, brother.
I don't know how to feel about that. I don't know how to feel about that.
I don't know either. Just take it in a good way, I guess.
I'll take it as a compliment.
Take it as a compliment,
I don't
brother.
know how to feel about that. That's a very interesting take.
No. What's up? I'm over here cooking the meat while he's prepping the vegetables.
Alright.
Low key, I lied. This might make like way more than 6 or 8 burgers.
Yeah, you're right.
This This is a lot of meat. Over here, got the prep station. Got my seasoned meat.
Got the onions kind of weird for some reason.
This is
It's not right.
all bought today. We Shut your mouth, baby, stain and liver.
Yeah, there's some good singing, man.
Only make
Where's the perfect way to cut this onion? Like this?
Jesus Christ.
Exactly. Professional cook right here. See?
What the fuck are you doing?
What do you mean? I'm cutting onions. Oh shoot, yeah. Anyways, is this good? Is this good now? Right here?
Yeah, this section, if you can't see, it's hella bright, but the onion, right? The onion,
4K right there.
4K, we got the onions.
Wait, he said, don't bro
Does
I'm
not know how to
playing games, so yeah, he thought it. Bro does not know how to cut. Okay. Yeah, you gotta like have it open. This onion right here is deformed for some reason.
For some reason, I think it's because you didn't cut it.
Both ways, huh?
What the fuck?
Got the onions. This is my effort in cutting the onions. Here's my 4K camera. Yeah, here's the camera right here. Here's the effort.
Alright, we're gonna show the progress.
Look at that burger!
Woo! Got my burger.
Look at the burger.
It's cooking. It's cooking. This thing is hot.
Alright, I'm done with the onions. What's next? Fish sauce. I can't dance. I
You're not dancing anymore?
Yeah, you're dancing. Hey, keep dancing. I am not a dancer.
Don't do what I do. I dead ass almost just fell in that. Oh my god. Lettuce, dude. Literally, all you gotta do?
Smash it.
No. Just pull it. Leaf by leaf. That's it. That's it.
I want to smash it though.
You wanna smash it? So yeah, but what I do with my meat, you know, just grab about a handful of that. You see that? See that? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Handful of meat. We can see the meat.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead. Smash that down like palm size, you know? That's good. That's a good size. And I'm cooking that. And it's going to shrink.
Wait, it shrinks when it cooks?
Yeah. Meat shrinks when it cooks.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it was gross.
No.
Because, 2 tomatoes. 2 tomatoes. Throw this away.
Hey.
Don't mind me, I'm just prepping tomatoes.
Where's my cheese? Alright, we got the cheeses we got. I don't know what type of cheeses everybody messes with. I go with Swiss and mild cheddar. Slice. Yeah. See, you see that? Perfect.
Yeah.
But nah. What's it called? No, we both working.
Yeah.
Is this wet inside?
Ugh.
I mean, heat the edge, bro.
I need to learn to chop tomatoes.
Dude, what the fuck is this? Yo, anybody want that fucking tomato in it?
I'll use the knife, man. The knife's not
Your
working.
shit is not going in the burger. Have you never used a knife before?
Not this knife.
Okay. Oh, yeah, my knives aren't that sharp. My bad.
That makes sense.
That's because I've been using them. I don't got a knife sharpener. I need that.
Yeah, there's different type of knives.
Yeah, there are different types of knives.
Yeah, I think you need the good quality knife.
I need a chef knife. Yeah, these are like cheap Walmart ones.
That makes a lot of sense.
Is it?
Yeah, you want to see? You want to see in 4K?
Oh, okay,
Who
yeah.
said that? It was
Yo.
It was Mr. No Face.
Yo, we got that. We got that.
We got the thin tomatoes right here. Yes, it's the knife. It's the freaking knife.
Wait, let me see.
You see the way I cut through?
Yeah, let me put it. No, brother.
I think it's me.
I think this is just you.
Yeah, this is me, man.
I think it's just you.
Yeah.
I got the burgers. I got the burgers.
Get the burgers.
All the burgers.
The burgers. All done.
I don't belong here.
Hey!
Don't care if it hurts. Hey. I wanna have control.
Yeah. Get it. Come on. Hit it.
I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. Oh wait. I'm about to shoot the ball. She's running out the door. She's running out. She run. That's a what?
It's a singer. I can't sing. See? Pick singing. Hitting the high notes I see.
Whatever makes you happy. Whatever you want. You're so fucking special. Hey, I wish I was special. You're as warm as a glass of brandy.
Oh snap! It's burning.
It's not. It just preheated.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Did you set the?
Disclaimer: this is not alcohol. It's juice. Okay? If you want to see proof, look at this.
I think we can see that.
I'm just making sure. All right, don't go reporting. Hey, I know. Okay. All right, we got here mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
The song started.
Oh snap! What? Easy come.
Where we started.
Take it all. Okay, try again.
Easy come, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was true from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. Why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You did. To give you all my love is all I ever ask. 'Cause I can't decide.
You don't understand.
For you. Throw my head on a blade for you. I'm jumping from a tree for you.
You know. That's so real. Alright, we get
There must be some.
Alright. Oh, now it's your turn. Now it's your burger. I smashed it a bit. Look at the burger. Burger right here.
Oh yeah.
Burger here. Right here. You got the burger here. You got the burger here. What you got? Look at the professional right now. Show the camera.
Making my burger right now. Making my burger. Making cons. Burgers. A little bit of everything.
I'm surprised people don't like pickles in their burgers.
You want, if you don't like pickles in your burger, bro, you tripping. And then this is the burger. What do you want me to make? It's
With cheese.
with cheese, but I don't know, man. It's pretty good.
I'm trying to learn that on the guitar. I think you see my story, huh? Mm-hmm. You kind of recognize it? My heart is yours. It's you that I'll hold on to. Yeah, that's what I do.
What's wrong?
The burger's falling apart. Oh, that's good.
Good.
Subscribe.